Hey friends, if you wish to fix status access violation error on your browser in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now I will depict this on the Microsoft Edge browser because it uses the same Chromium base as Google Chrome and many other browsers. So the first one is to click on these three dots at the top right corner and select extensions. Now go to manage extensions. You'll find the extensions here. Simply turn off the switch for any problematic extension. If this helps, remove it. The next solution is to clear cache and cookies. How would you do that? Search for, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history, click on the bin symbol, click on clear now. The next solution is to update the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select help and feedback, select about Microsoft Edge or Chrome, whatever browser you're using. It is updating and in a few seconds it will update it to the latest version. The last solution is to simply reset the browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, click on reset settings, select restore settings to the default value and select reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.